The Mountain View Los Altos High School District provides some of the smallest class sizes for freshmen in the state of California. We provide class sizes that average about 20 with a maximum of 22 in the areas of English and mathematics.
There's different kinds of freshmen, of course, but a lot of them are feeling very overwhelmed. They're coming from different middle schools. They're comparing themselves to one another. So it's hard to draw them out because they're shy and they're a little bit insecure, but it's much easier in a class that's so small and they feel like they can contribute and be themselves and they can seek me out if they need me. Much easier.
When I first came to Mountain View, I taught a freshman geometry class which had 22 students. In comparison to when I was in Vacaville Unified, my very first class I ever taught as a teacher out of the credential program had 41 students on the first day, but I ended up teaching 39 students for the whole year.
Just the fact that I can go around and quickly check their homework and check in and see how an assignment is going for them. I mean, I do that by default every day. I usually talk to the kids in my survey class, depending on what we're doing. I usually talk to them on an individual basis several times in one day. It's easy.
The change was remarkable because I was able to interact with students much more often during the week, even maybe every single day.
It's such a different atmosphere in the class. Every year I have students saying that it feels like it's their home base. They feel like it's a community, that everybody knows each other, they feel comfortable.
Which not only creates a better interaction and relationship with me, but also makes them feel closer to their fellow classmates, which makes them more comfortable to participate and take risks.
So as an English teacher, I often have stacks and stacks of paper waiting for me, and the fact that I have 20 essays versus 34 means that I can usually spend more time on them, especially because they're a little bit shorter because they're freshmen. So I can look at their writing in greater detail and give them more feedback because there's less of them.
What makes class size reduction possible? Generous parents. We're lucky to live in a place where parents care a lot about education, and they back it up through donations to the Mountain View Los Altos Education Foundation. Those donations make class size reduction possible, as well as a number of other programs. So for those that have given, we owe a great deal of thanks. And for those who have yet to give, I'd really encourage them to consider doing so today. The foundation's committed $1.3 million to the district for class size reduction and other great programs. And everybody's donation matters a lot in making that happen, and I know that it goes to great use.